floetrol. I'm going to do a something that I saw was really pretty, a swipe. I want to do some pretty colors and see how it turns out. Maybe it'll inspire you to do some. I have to get my little cups under my canvas. It's just an 8 by 10. These are just little fruit cups that I save. So I've got some turquoise. Now these colors, I've used some of my leftover paints and made up some colors. So this is a turquoise with some, I think I used some Deco Art blue, Bahama Blue, and some Artist Loft turquoise. I got cobalt blue, and I have a pretty, really dark purple that I made. I added some blue and red together and made my own purple. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to swipe with white. And that's already made. So let's get going here. Oh yes, I think I'm going to add some silicone. They might have some in it, but I can't remember. And they've been stirred so much that they need a fresh couple of drops. So I'm going to put 2 in there, 2 in here. Now this doesn't have any. I should actually put some in here, because I don't usually keep my bottles with silicone in it. This has got not much left anyway. I need to make some more up, so I'm gonna use it up. Let's give it a little shake. I'm not going to stir it a lot. Just give it a couple of little stirs. And then we should be good. Like my little signs. Okay. Stick around to the end and you'll find out what it looks like. And then I put the dried results at the end. Okay, this will be probably a short video anyway. Alright, so let's see if I can show you the consistency. It makes a tiny puddle, but it disappears quick. These are like all my favorite colors. I think these are a lot of people's favorite colors. a little bit more blue here. I know I only have one row of blue, but debating whether I should put, maybe I'll put a little blue here. Now, there it is. Okay, I'll put some white on. White Artist Loft. Gotta make sure you have enough to get all the way down, so yeah, you don't want too much. It's all trial and error. The more you do it, the better you get at it. I might just sneak a little row of white right here. There we go. Use paper towel. And this looks like it'll fit right across. I'm just going to dampen it a bit. Piece down here to catch all the mess. All right, let's go for it. You know what? I want to get this edge. Sometimes there's not enough paint on the edge up here. All right, I'm going to stand up. Turquoise is taking over. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, look at that. Now I'll torch. Try not to get too close. See, there's not a lot of paint up there. See if I can tip some down. I think I'll just leave it for now. Want some to come down here. I'll have to touch my sides up later. All you have to do is get this color and just paint the sides, because nothing much dripped down on this. Well, do you think I should do a balloon smash on the top? What do you think? I'm just looking to see if it's thick or not. It doesn't seem to be too bad. So I might try it. If I wreck it, I wreck it. I'll do another swipe if I wreck it. So I'm just gonna smash it. Some paper towel here to wipe it on. Because that's not much paint there, so it's just doing the bottom. That's okay. I should have redid that one. Oh, look at that. See, I don't like that now. I think I'll just put some white over this. Whoops. You know what? That's what all I'm gonna do. Three's Company, look at that. There, I'm done. That was it. That was easy. Hope you like this one. Give me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. And come back soon. I'll like and hit the bell for more and for notifications when I do more. That's what happens when you subscribe. All right. I will put the dried results at the end. I'll hold this up for you. Pretty colors. Purple, turquoise, and the other blue, the cobalt blue, showed up mostly there. Some here and here. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a closer look because I don't think I gave you a good close-up. I'm just gonna zoom in down on these so you can see those little flowers, little cells that came out on top. I just think it looks so pretty. There you go. Now we just wait for the dried results. Bye-bye.